show you guys another waist trainer, and this waist trainer is this sexy red leopard latex waist trainer. Okay, so this waist trainer, as you can see, it's a leopard print. So this is a latex waist trainer, so like any other latex waist trainers, it has 3 layers: the outside nylon, the middle one latex, and the inner one, which is cotton. So it has 3 layers. And also, like the other latex waist trainers, like most of our latex waist trainers, it has 3 rows of hooks that are double stitched so that they can be more stronger. So when you put on the waist trainer, they're not gonna break or bend, okay? And another thing is it has 9 flexible steel bones. So you can see this is for back support as well as for long-lasting waist trainer. It's going to strengthen the waist trainer and make it more long-lasting, all right? And also, if you guys are interested in logo printing, you can print your logos right here. This is really convenient place for logos, or if you want it somewhere else, you let us know. Private labels and private tags, it's one price for 1,000 pieces. So if you want, let us know. If you're new to this business, I'll recommend you guys start with private tags because it's really cheaper and the MOQ is lower. So it can be a good start for you guys. It's a suggestion from me. So let us know if you're interested. And we have different sizes for this waist trainer as well. We have sizes from 3 extra small to 6 extra large. Or if you want it much bigger, you let us know your manufacturer so we can do custom for you guys too. Let us know what you desire. So let me wear this waist trainer and you're going to have a quick look. Look how snatched this waist trainer makes me look. Look. And if I wear this for a few weeks consistently, then I'm telling you, I am going to get in this shape with no doubt. And it's so pretty. The design is so sexy. It's so trendy, by the way. It's really trendy. This is one of our hot selling products. And also, usually leopard prints signify a lot of things, especially for women. It signifies independence, confidence, and non-conformity. So you're making a statement about who you are by wearing this waist trainer. So you can even wear it outside your clothes, not just under. You can wear it outside in the gym or wherever you want because it's so sexy, it's so nice. Look at it. If you're interested in this waist trainer or any of our waist trainers, you can DM us on our Instagram page. I'm going to link it on the description box down below. Or you can check on our website for more waist trainers, more shapewears, more products if you want. Okay, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time with more videos, with more products. Okay, bye.